Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadows maze. I guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights.
'cause I'm tired of being sort of fantasy. And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally. Maybe the romantics just ain't it for me. Like how did I become a lesson? I'm not the type of girl you question. Can't even tell you why I'm stressing. I know I probably should've mentioned I got the bill hacks, someone you can't forget. I know you're still upset. Can't keep me hitting next.
You came in my life like a whirlwind. I think of you leaving the world ends. I like to think that I'm a pretty good lover, but I'm not good at having girlfriends. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot, but you be thinking that I crush a lot. An indie darling on the verge of pop. Don't assume who I'm with, that'll hurt your heart. I don't wanna be while you bleed. Tourniquet, I can see that you're in need. Learning that even if you always keep it 100, there's no such thing as guarantees. People change like seasons, many reasons I suppose. Heart burning to the core one day, on the next link you froze. You do not have to explain, you are not the one that I blame. We were fighting in front of the Dover Street over something oh so lame. Shouldn't pretend we're better off as friends.
I got the bill hacks, someone you can't forget. I know you're still upset. Can't keep me hitting next. what you're doing. You make me crazy like kaleidoscope, blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible. Oh,